So from me, there is a strategic, and then there are productivity, and then there are tactical.
In my entire career, games have usually chopped away 15 or 20% of its entire wish list because you're either chasing a very, very tight timeline for launch, or you're working with really, a short supply of talent. It gives us a new opportunity to create bigger, bolder, richer experiences for players.
I think the potential of GenAI becomes even more when there is more computing power that will come to the phones. So then it will allow us to infer things locally, and then the game can actually adapt and change for each individual users. So that can actually spawn a generation of games that we cannot even have conceived before.
If you look at design, whether it's brainstorming, coming up with different ideas or variations, especially if you're translating game experience to a very diverse set of gamer preferences, GenAI has tons of benefits.
A lot of AAA games, AA games have content creation. That's definitely going to become better and cheaper. Your ability to kind of really look at that segment of one and influence the behaviors is going to really become much, much better.
And today, if someone has to create a puzzle, it takes about X time. They need to know Y or Z tools. GenAI can allow you to design this puzzle with just very few human language inputs. You can have others create levels for you.
Apart from that, engineering, when it comes to programming, there's a lot of efficiencies you can derive. Building games which cater to millions of players simultaneously has very, very complex systems all working in lockstep. And technology itself, right from the platform, infrastructure, and the number of core and meta systems that's built in games have gotten super complex. And for you to manage that all with a level of accuracy, precision, and quality at scale is fairly complex, and GenAI really helps you do a lot of those things very effectively.
Your ability to have non-playing characters and giving gamers a co-pilot and a learning for the gamers to really improve their own skills is going to be really kind of get impacted. For example, every clan chief, I want to make an agent. Give him a co-pilot to manage his own community. He wants to create a content to create a sense of belonging. He wants to run leaderboards. Now, all of that an agent can do it because it's all data which is being fed into it. So I can really make clan chief's life much, much better using kind of agents.
But at least based on the last 1 year, we've been effectively embracing GenAI in all of our discipline and workflows. We're seeing at least a 15-20% lift at a bare minimum in terms of efficiencies. And also it kind of broadens your thinking and scope as to what else you can do.